So as I explained to you, that a business is there to solve a problem, not necessarily your problem, but something which you think that a lot of people have, and you have the ability to solve this problem. Now, think of a problem which annoys you, which keeps you awake, which you really want to solve, and you want to solve this problem. And that is what the business should be about. Your business should be solving a big problem. The bigger the problem you want to solve, the more money you will make. If you want to be a billionaire, solve a problem for 1 billion people. If you want to be a millionaire, solve a problem which 1 million people have. If you want to make less money, you can solve a smaller problem to start off with. This doesn't have to be your only business. This doesn't have to be your final business. This has to be your business. This video is intended for people who are first-timers, who have never done a business in their life, who are scared to start a business. And this video series will guide you to start your own business, solve one problem, and go over your fear, conquer yourself, conquer your fear to start your business. So let's start again. Think of a problem that you want to solve, and that is what the business will be about. Now, have you thought of that problem? Let's write it down, and let's proceed to the next step.